Hi, so we're going to start the term, and as you'll see, I have a web page. And on this web page, I am going to use the facility in the blog, which you can see up here, to keep you up to date with everything that is going on in your class. I'm going to put every week what we do in the A1, A2, B1, and B2 groups. This will help you to study at home and to go over the themes that we study. There will be vocabulary, grammar, expressions, links to practice pages, a link to YouTube, like this particular link, with all the vocabulary and all the expressions spoken by me. There are also many different resources online that can be useful for you. Here are some for now that I will make use of. Um, have a look at these. There is the British Council webpage. You go onto the British Council webpage and you find the level you're at and look for exercises there and reading and speaking and listening. It has all the components in there: writing, reading, listening, and speaking. You can easily navigate through that webpage. You can follow links to the British Council website every week. After that, I put Hilfen. Hilfen is a German web page which has hundreds of exercises, hundreds and hundreds of exercises, which will really make your grammar shine. Perfect English Grammar is another resource for learning grammar. There are exercises on that page with 20 questions in minute detail covering every topic of grammar. And Test English, I think, is much more appealing. It has drawings on it, and each area that you can see where you click on the page has 3 separate pages of exercises that get more and more difficult. It is highly recommended to read a little every day. Better if you read aloud. So here are some options that can help you. Voice of America has short stories in English read by English actors, and News in Levels has articles from different news outlets, some on the television, and it gives you vocabulary help in different levels. So A1, A2, B1, B2. And you can go through the levels until you find the level that is best for you. If you like music, you can try lyrics training, which gives you a song where you have to fill in words that have been omitted. It's a great way to pick up on colloquial vocabulary. Okay, this is just a start. I'm going to leave you here with this, and I'll see you in your next class.